Hi, welcome to Road 200 Con Questions. 14 raised to n is a factor of k factor. For a given value of k, highest value of n cannot be. Now let's take something. Let's say if I take 7 factorial, the number of values of n will depend upon 7 because 14 is 2 into 7 raised to n. Any factorial will have many 2's, so it depends on 7. So if I take k as 7 factorial, you'll get n equal to 1 because there's 1 7 in it. Less than 7 will be 0. At 7 factorial, you'll have n equal to 1. At 14 factorial, you'll have n equal to 2 because there are 2 7's out here, 7 and 14. So 2 7's. So if you keep on going on, you will realize up to 42 factorial, you'll have n equal to 6 possible. 49 factorial, you'll have n equal to 8. Why n equal to 8? Because up to 42, you have 6 7's. But 49 is 7 into 7, remember that. So you'll have 2 extra 7. So you will become n equal to 6 to n equal to 8 it will become. So n equal to 7 is not possible, B option. Right? So up to 42 factorial, you'll have 6 7's because every 7, 14 up to 42. The moment you go to 49, you'll have 2 extra 7. So it will become n equal to 8. So n equal to 7, not possible. A retailer can sell 100 units of cakes in a day for a price of rupees 10. And so total is 10 into 100 is 1000 is the revenue. Every time you increase the price by 1, the sale decreases by 5 rupees. Okay, 10 into 100 is 1000 is the revenue. Now I want to make this sort of same increase decrease. That helps. I'll tell you how. So what I'll do is I take this 5 as, let's say, x, 1x. So the product becomes 10 into 20x. I take 5 units of cake, okay, as 1x. So 100 units of cake will be 20x. So every time I'm increasing the price by 1, I'm reducing the number of cakes by 1 by x. So it becomes 11 into 19x, 12 into 18x, and so on. Now the sum is same, 30, 30, 30. When the sum is same, the product is maximum when both the numbers are the same, which is 15 into 15x will be maximum revenue, which is x is 5. So 15 into 5 will be maximum revenue. 225 into 5 will be maximum revenue, which should give you 1125. That's the maximum revenue which is there. The basic idea is the property I'm using is when product of a numbers is constant. So when addition of number is constant, 10 plus 20 is 30, 11 plus 19 is 30, and so on. The product will be maximum when the numbers are the same. So your product will be maximum when 10 20s are okay, will be maximum when it is 15 15s are, because 10 20s are 200x. If you look at it, 19 11s are, you will get something here. Maximum will be 225x. 15 into 15x is 225x maximum. Substitute x as 5, you get the answer. 1125. The vertices. So this you can actually draw, or you can put value for k. You can put k as 1 1, or you can put k and k. So 3k, k, or k 3k. You want the area of a triangle. If you look at it, a right angle triangle, but this side is 2k and this side is 2k. So area is half into 2k into 2k, which will be 2k square. B option. So just draw, understand the sum, you get the answer. Right. Given a set of S, how many value of S are possible such that product of all the elements of the subset is a positive multiple of 4? If you look at these are all even numbers. For it to be a multiple of 4, we need at least 2 numbers out there. First of all, what are all the subsets of S? Each number can be taken or not taken. Each number can be taken or not taken. So total 2 raised to 7 or 128 subsets are there. Right? So each is 2 ways, 2 ways, 2 ways, 2 ways. So 2 raised to 7, 128 ways. Now, but we want at least 2 numbers for it to be a multiple of 4. So we have to remove all the number of ways where we have only one element. So we may have only 2 or only 6 or only 10 or only 14 and so on. 7 ways. Or where there are 0 elements, 1 way. No element at all, 1 way. So total number of ways becomes 120 subsets where the positive multiple is 4. So total ways minus the ways not possible. Way is not possible to be multiple of 4 when you take only one element or 0 element. Remove those ways, you will get the answer as 120. In how many ways is it possible to choose two squares? One black and another white on 8 by chessboard. Suppose I take the corner square as let's say black. So I take this black square. For this black, how many white square can I choose? So it can't be in the same row or column. This will be white, this will be white, and this is a 7 by 7. So 49 squares in a 7 by 7 matrix, from which 25 will be white and 24 will be black. You can find out and figure out. 25 will be white, there will be one extra white as compared to black. Right? So if there are 25 white and 24 black, so for every black square which I took in a corner, there will be 25 white square I can take. For one black square, I can take 25 white square. So there are like that there are 32 black squares. So for 32 black squares, the number of squares I can take is 32 into 25, which is, if you look at it, 800. That will be the answer. Remember, you can't do divide by 2 because they both are not black square, both are separate, one black, one white. So for 32 black squares, and each black square will have 25 white square possible. So number of ways become 32 into 25, 800. Thank you.